You asked, how to divide 7,290 by 3 using the long division method. 7 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Bring down 2, making 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down 9, making 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 2430.